the duplicate command can be very useful, and it's under the edit window. You'll see down here it says duplicate. We can also use Command D, or we can also use this repeat function. But a lot of times, if we're highlighted in a section, and specifically if it is in bars and beats and we're capturing a particular grouping, a lot of times they're in 2s or 4s, 8s or 16s. And so, I'm just going to grab a 2-bar, push play, and then I'm going to duplicate it real quick. It's like, okay, that's a cool whatever. And I'm going to hit, while it's highlighted, hit Command D. And then it allows me to just duplicate it as much as I need. This is a real good way to start off with like drum rhythms and things like that. So like my percussion section down here that I had earlier that we were listening to, if we go to that section there, we might say, well, we need that section to repeat again. So I grabbed an 8-bar section. You can see it up here in the main counter. I have 8 bars because it says the length is 8 bars. I'll push play, and I'm going to solo this and then push play to take a listen. Okay, and then Command D, and then however many phrases we need it, we can just hit Command D, and that's it.